can't go no further. This ends right here. I figure I'd give you some more work. They said to come check the hospital out.
We can't go in the hospital, but we can look at the
Oh, okay,
layout of the
gotcha.
hospital.
Okay, yeah, you got some birds that are quarantined.
Yep. So he's the only one that's not in an actual quarantine room. The other three are.
Yeah, it'll show up. So any of the primates that are coming in go in here first?
Yes.
And how long is it normally that they need to be quarantined?
About a month
Okay.
normally. So we haven't had any monkeys in here yet, since this just got finished a couple
gotcha.
months ago. So prior to that, all our quarantine animals lived in our food prep area. So we